Hi friends, welcome back to my channel iQOO. In today's video, I'll try to over to the 90 FPS Battlegrounds mobile gameplay test in the iQOO 7 device. So at this moment, by the time I'm making this video, the iQOO 7 didn't receive the official update from the Battlegrounds mobile, which is a 90 FPS. So if you want to get the 90 FPS in few of the smartphones, you need to use a config file. But in this video, I'll try to use a config file. Even though after using config file also, there's no point because iQOO 7 is not able to get that. But recently we came across this kind of application, which is a set edit. As you can see, this application which is available in the Play Store. By using this app, you can actually force 90 FPS to work in the smartphones. Yes, it did actually work in the OnePlus Nord 2, even in the Realme X1 Max as well. Both phones it did work. In the Realme X1 Max, by default only we do get 90 FPS, so no need to worry. But in the OnePlus Nord 2, especially this phone, just before this video I uploaded video on the OnePlus Nord 2, it was able to perform really good. So using the config file and using this application. Right now in this video, I'm going to demonstrate the same thing. I'll be using the config file and I'll be using this application to set the value to the 190 FPS to work in the game. Let's see whether it's working or not right now. So first thing is very simple, friends. In case if you want to download the config file, you can join my Telegram group, and there will be second post which is available here, 90 config file. As you can see, this is a zip file which is there. So you can download this config file and you can install in the mobile phone. That is the first step you need to follow. And this is my Telegram group name as well, Site Group IT. This is the same config file which I'm trying to use in all of my smartphones, and it's working perfectly fine. And one quick note, so using this config file, maybe chances are there that your account may get banned. So try to do this kind of testings only in the dummy account. Don't try to use your official account. That is what I'll definitely recommend 100% for the users. So in case if you want to experience that kind of smooth 90 FPS, try to follow this method, please. Again, I don't want to listen the comments saying again account getting banned, so that is the reason I'm trying to advise you, don't try this method with official account. So next is that you need to download this application. Once you download the config file, download this application, and in the application you need to search for the value which is the peak refresh rate. This is how the interface will be there. Don't change any value, okay? Don't try to touch any other value except one. I'll try to show you. Try to scroll down. Just scroll down to the peak refresh rate. There's an option which will be there, peak refresh rate. Alphabetical order, it will be there. Try to search for the P alphabet and you will be able to find, yes, as you can see, peak refresh rate. In this, before it will be 120 Hz refresh rate. So now you need to change to the value to set 1. Okay, that's it. So once you set that value done, now the phone will be automatically force higher refresh rate games and higher refresh rate applications to work automatically in this iQOO 7 device. So let's open the Battlegrounds mobile game. So I do believe that you know the method of how to install, right, config file. So if you don't know, let me to show you exactly. So once you download the zip file, you need to extract the zip file. Once you extract, you will get this kind of patch file. Click copy and try to download the file manager, which in my case I'm trying to use the CX file manager, which is available in the Play Store. You can download. So once you copy that zip file, try to go to the data, and in the data you try to find for the com.pubg.iMobile. So where is that? Yes, somewhere around, yes. And once you find that folder, files, UE4 game and shadow tracker extra and saved, and now go to the packs and try to click paste. That's it. So in this way you'll be able to install the config file. So once you've done that, so next you can actually use this application as well. So once you've done both, so now you can see, friends, as soon as I open the game, let's go to the settings option, and in the graphics you can see the 90 FPS is enabled. But the thing is that even though if you use this config file and if you use a set edit application, but still the refresh rate is not changing. It's staying exactly 60. So I think this kind of trick is not working at this moment in the iQOO 7 device. So even I'm really disappointed, but still, so we need to wait for the official update to fix this 90 FPS. So till then, I'll try to find any other way to play this kind of 90 FPS in the iQOO 7 device. Meanwhile, looking for any other different kind of config file. But at this moment, using this config file in the iQOO 7 device, I'm unable to get that 90 FPS working. No, it's not working. So if it is working, the 60 should change to 120 Hz refresh rate. Let me just show you exactly. As you can see, when I go to home screen, it's changing to 120 Hz. When I try to open the game, it's coming back to 60 FPS only. 60 Hz, sorry. So right now at this moment, unfortunately, even though after using this kind of config file and the application, we cannot get. But in the OnePlus Nord 2, it's working. Using the same config file, using the same application trick, everything, it's working in the OnePlus Nord 2. Even I did upload a tutorial as well demonstrating, but in the iQOO 7 device, it's not working at all. So sorry for that, friends, and thank you for watching this video. It's a quick doubt which I thought of clearing for a lot of other users who are having in their mind. After watching my previous videos, definitely they will ask me to try in the iQOO 7 device. So here's a video for you all. It's not working at all. So thank you for watching, and in case if you want to come back to the another normal state, try to open the same application, try to go to this peak refresh rate, try to edit click value and try to insert 120 Hz, save changes, and you can uninstall the application itself. You can try by yourself. So thank you for watching this video, friends, and see you in the next video. Until then, stay tuned for more updates. And without using application also, it's not working at all. And don't forget to follow the playlist for more information, and try to check the playlist for the live wallpapers. You can find the playlist. I do believe you'll be checking this kind of playlist where you can actually find same kind of wallpapers which are available here. See you in the next video, friends. Until then, bye.